Redcon1, Big Noise, Total War. You're up next. What's up, guys? It's your man Stan the Man, and I'm back with another no BC bullcrap review of a supplement. And today we're gonna do a review on Redcon1's Total War and Big Noise pre-workout. And as you can see, I'm dressed up. Got a meeting that I have to attend in a little bit, but I couldn't wait. I could not wait to open this package. Just got it in the mail. Yep, it was a buy one get one free sale. And here it is. Big Noise. Cool container. Total War. Even cooler container. And in a little bit, guys, I'm going to head to the gym. Of course, not like this, but later I'm gonna head to the gym and I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes. I'll let you guys know the effects of it. I'm just gonna let you know, are these two worth the buck? I'm gonna combine them, I'm gonna stack them. See you in a few. Peace. What's up, guys? As you can see, I am not wearing the suit that I had on earlier because this is another day. Actually, once I got done doing what I needed to do, I was too tired to go to the gym, man. So, long story short, it's another day. I'm done with work, and now I'm about to actually test out this Total War pre-workout, Fireball Olympia edition. Yeah, I'm about to try that out, but I'm also about to stack it with the Redcon1's Big Noise. Pump up the volume, bring the noise, pump, rainbow candy flavor. Basically, the two that I showed you guys earlier, I'm going to be stacking them because I heard that this Total War and this Big Noise, I heard together it's a killer combination. So I'm about to get this workout on, and I'm gonna let you know exactly what it do. So hopefully it's worth the hype, because I've heard nothing but good stuff about it. So I'm very excited, and I will let you guys know. Oh, and by the way, let's just go over how many scoops to take. One of each. It says do not, I repeat, do not exceed more than 1 scoop per day. So I'm just gonna take 1 scoop of each one. Normally, I got a high tolerance for pre-workout, so I normally take 2, even if you say it's 1. I normally take a little more than the average recommended dosage, just because I have high tolerance. But I'm gonna follow directions this time, because I heard that it's really good and it's really strong, and it's not for the faint, not for the weak of heart. So with that being said, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm going to definitely take 1 of each, and I will let you guys know how this workout is, and I will let you know, is it worth the money? Peace out. All right, guys, here we go. That pre-workout right here. 1 scoop. I'm opening it up right now. This is first off the Total War. You guys can see. Oh man, that smell. Oh man, that was strong. Oh, smell like cinnamon. Woo. Man, it got in my nose. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what they got going here. See, do we got a scoop? Do I got to dig to find the scoop? That's how it looks. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's right off top. Not too messy. Smells just like cinnamon. I hope it's not spicy. I mean, but the name is Fireball Olympia, and it's causing me to cough a little bit. I really don't know how I feel about that right now, but we're about to see. All right, 1 scoop. And I like to just take mine straight to the head, guys. Got time for all that other stuff. I like it to kick in fast. Oh my gosh. Oh. Woo. Man, this tastes just like cinnamon. Cinnamon and spice. And everything not nice. Oh man, I can tell you right out the bat, I hate that flavor. I got it because the container looked so cool and the flavor sounded interesting, but oh man, never again, people, never again. All right, now here's Big Noise. But taste aside, we get the stuff for basically the performance. And if the performance is good, I definitely would get it again. Not that flavor, but I definitely would get the product again. But Big Noise. Let's go. Oh, that's pretty nasty too. Big Noise. Spicy. Man, what's up with the spice? I think because it got black pepper. The black pepper extract up in it. So, I guess that's what I'm tasting, but I need another sip of water. Yeah, guys, I'll let you guys know how it is, because the taste sucks. What's up, guys? I'm at the gym getting my workout on, and I took the pre-workout. I took the Total War and Big Noise together to stack them, and I must say the taste is horrible. By far the worst tasting pre-workout I've ever had. But that's the downside. It's the downside. But the ups are more. I can't even explain it. The ups are better. There's more ups and downs with it. The pre-workout is awesome. It's awesome. By far, probably the best pre-workout thus far I have taken, as far as giving me energy, giving me the fuel to get extra pumps in. Just all around, it's great. It's great. If you can get past the taste, I would say get this pre-workout. I would say get both, combine both. Me personally, I haven't taken either separately. I've only combined both of them, and I did that because I heard one is lacking the other. like makes up for it. So I didn't feel like testing them out separately. So I combined both of them, and man, it's good. It's worth it. And right now, I've been in the gym for roughly maybe an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half. But I'm still energetic right now, and I still feel the focus right now. So before it wear off, I'm about to get a few more workouts in. I'm working out. I'm doing an all-around workout today. I'm doing legs, chest, shoulders, whatever. I'm doing it all. So before it wears out, I'm about to get back in it. And honestly, I will get this pre-workout again, definitely. The taste, like I said, the taste is horrible. I hate it. I hate the taste. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. There's no, in my opinion, there is no good point at all as far as tasting it. It doesn't get better. It sucks. By far the worst tasting pre-workout I have ever had. But it's the best all-around working pre-workout I have ever had together. Redcon1. If any of the representatives, if you see this, just know you have something with this product. It's great, but please improve the taste, please. And I'm saying please with capital letters, please, because the taste is horrible. And yeah, I'm out.